Good day. Let me introduce myself. My name is John Ray Marquez Normal, 26 years old, graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management, and I am from the Philippines. Though I am not an education graduate, I am currently working as a foreign English teacher at Swanaram Witiakum School here in Bangkok, Thailand. How did I make it? Because I am TESOL certified. Based on my experience as a foreign English teacher, I have the opportunity to engage with the students from diverse backgrounds and help them to improve their language skills. And why did I choose their career? Or why did I choose this path? I choose this path because I love teaching young ones. I also enjoy creating dynamic lesson plan that not only focusing on books by books, but also incorporate with cultural exchange and based on personal experience. In my free time, I usually use it to enhance my skills by watching some documentary series or reading some articles online. By this, it helps me to be updated on the teaching methods on how to teach the young ones that allows me to be integrated with real world context into my lessons. By doing so, I am to inspire my student to embrace learning or to embrace language learning as a valuable tools for their futures.